Understanding conflict in software teams.
Conflict is common in software project teams due to tight deadlines, differing opinions, and varied technical backgrounds. Recognizing that disagreements can be both beneficial and challenging is the first step to effective conflict management. Unresolved issues can lower productivity and morale, while constructive conflict can spark innovation and better decision-making.
Common causes of team disputes.
Miscommunication, unclear roles, and competing priorities are frequent sources of conflict. Technical disagreements, personal differences, and unclear project goals can further fuel disputes. Being aware of these triggers helps teams anticipate challenges and address them proactively before they escalate.
Step-by-step conflict resolution process.
Start by listening actively to all parties without judgment. Encourage open communication to clarify misunderstandings. Identify the root cause of the conflict together. Collaborate to find solutions, focusing on shared goals rather than individual positions. Agree on action steps and follow up to ensure everyone is satisfied with the outcome.
Promoting a positive team environment.
Foster trust and respect by setting clear expectations and encouraging regular feedback. Emphasize the value of diverse perspectives and create opportunities for team bonding. Training in communication and conflict management skills can prepare team members to handle disputes constructively and maintain group harmony.
When to seek external help.
If conflicts persist or threaten project success, involving a neutral third party, such as a manager or mediator, can help. Outside perspectives can guide the team through structured resolution approaches. Seeking help early prevents disputes from harming productivity or team relationships.